This short video will walk you through how to use a dichotomous key. These are should do activities, just as a note. So, dichotomous, first of all, let's break down that word. So, di means two. So, in a dichotomous key, you always have the choice of two. So, if we just look at a very simple dichotomous key for identifying a shape, in this case, we're going to identify this blue shape right here. You're always going to start with your first choice. So my first choice, set of choices, is the shape has four sides. If I believe that, then I'm going to go to two. Or the shape has three sides. If that's what I think it has, then it's telling me the shape is a triangle. So in this case, I can count 1, 2, 3, 4. So the shape has four sides. So I'm going to go to number two. So for number two, I have two choices. All sides are equal in length, or it's a quadrilateral with only one pair of parallel lines. So I can see that every side is equal in length. So therefore, I know the shape is a square. So I keep moving through my dichotomous key until I have identified whatever it is I'm trying to identify. So let's do this with algae. So here's the dichotomous key you're going to use to identify algae. So you've got four different sets of choices. Again, you're always going to start with choice one. A filamentous strand is just a long strand. So if you think of like a pen or a pencil, it's going to look something like this. Single cell, they're just going to be by themselves, usually kind of a circular shape. And if you see a filamentous with a spiral weaving inside, you'll actually see the spiral. You're looking for green or gold color, a curved moon shape like a crescent moon. So let's go ahead and try to use this key to identify this particular type of bacteria. Or not, excuse me, not bacteria, algae. Again, I'm always going to start with step one. So I'm looking, is it a filamentous strand or is it single cell? So it definitely does not have this pencil pen shape. So I know it's not choice one, so it's got to be choice two, single-celled organisms. So I can see they're single-celled. They kind of look a lot like yeast, which we know are single-celled. However, these guys have a green color, unlike the yeast. So single cells, I'm going to go to step three. So I'm skipping step two. I'm going to go to step three. Are they green cells or are they golden brown? So I can see that they're green. So I'm going to go ahead and go to step four. Finally, I need to decide, do they have a curved moon shape? Do they look like a crescent moon? Or are they not a curved moon shape? So they do not look like a crescent curved moon to me. So I know then that it's my second choice. So this particular algae is called Nanochloropsis. And actually, this is the algae that we are growing in the classroom in our culture right now. So that is how you use a dichotomous key.